Hello and welcome to Makula. Today we're looking at how, as a technician using the Makula mobile app, you can track time on a work order so that you can bill the customer accordingly. To do this, navigate to the work order that you want to track time on. Once you're in the work order, you can simply click this clock icon at the bottom of your screen. And as you do that, it starts recording time. Now, you could move out of that work order, go into a procedure to fill it out, go to the procedure, fill it out. Let's say you're done with the procedure, you come back, and now at this point, when you're done with tracking time, you click the stop button. And as soon as you do that, you have a little screen that fills out the time for you, but now you have to tag it with the right kind of work. Now, let's say this was maintenance work. Now, for this, you will already have certain work order tags set up on the web. And let's say this was actually maintenance work that we're tagging this with. If there are any custom fields for time tracking that you've set up, they show up here. You could fill them out, toggle whether this work is billable or non-billable, and just submit. Once you submit this and go to the time tracking tab on the work order, you will be able to see all the different time entries tracked on this work order so that in the end, you can go in and bill the customer accordingly. It's as simple as that. Give it a shot. And if you're looking for help on anything else, feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you.